Hi, I'm Lauren from LSP Actions. In this mini watch over my shoulder tutorial edit, I'm going to show you how to drag and drop our butterfly overlays in Photoshop. For the full tutorial, please watch tutorial number 1 on our website or YouTube channel to get an idea of exactly how to use these. So let's dive in. This is a hazy edit, so if you like to edit this a real kind of whimsical, airy, hazy matte look, the butterflies are full contrast. So let's add some in. Let's just drag and drop some. Okay. And you'll see that, you're going to have to do a little manual tweaking to get them to go with your image. So I recommend at this point using the actions, apply butterfly and layers. Let's find the same one I just dropped in. Resize the sharpest butterfly to fit the scale of your image. Hey look, there's a butterfly on her back. That's cute. And now the layers are set up, we can grab a brush set to white and we can use the blend paint, and this is just going to really lightly blend those butterflies. Ooh, I wondered why nothing was happening. My brush was black. I've set it to white now. Blending them with the tone means we've got that light and airy feel. Let's just remove with a black brush any butterflies that are not serving our image. If you haven't already, please watch the main tutorial where I show you everything you need to know, or you can watch more of these mini tutorials to show you more tips and tricks and scenarios for using these butterflies. I can't wait to see what you create. I'm Lauren, thanks for watching.